Today I'm going to show you how to make Kubbe soup. There are different forms of Kubbe and the main one comes from Iraq. I'm so excited because this is my favorite soup. There are 3 steps to the soup. One is the soup itself. Second is forming the semolina paste. And third, the meat filling. I'm going to post the recipe at the end of the video. I'm going to chop up 2 large onions, one for the soup and one for the meat filling. Now the celery I'm going to chop up, that's for the meat filling. That will give it a crunch. Hi! I'm going to make Kubbe soup today. To make a semolina paste is a mix that we wrap around our meatballs. We do 3 cups of semolina, and remember it's semolina and not farina. 3 cups of semolina with 1.5 cup water. I usually put just 1.25 water, and if I need more, I add more water. And then a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well and cover with saran wrap and let it rest for about 20 minutes. For our filling, we saute the onion that we had chopped up, celery, we're going to put garlic, and then we're going to put our ground meat or turkey. Mix it all up with a little bit of black pepper and salt. So I've used ground turkey, hence this color, but if you're going to use ground beef, you should saute it till it becomes really brown. See, it should be also crumbly. That's the texture you want, crumbly. I added a little bit of paprika because I'm using ground beef to give it a little bit more color, but that's optional. Toast your pine nuts. Cut both ends. Now we'll have to wash this really well. I can't emphasize how much because we're going to use the water it's boiled in for our soup. Let's cook our soup and put it in boiling water. You want to cover the beets with boiling water and cook for about an hour. So cut large pieces. I work with gloves and with parchment paper because beets do die. Now you saute your onion for your soup, and you added garlic, and you add salt and pepper. A little bit of oil I added here, and then you add your baharat spice. If you don't have baharat, you can put a little bit of cumin and cinnamon. You're then going to put your ketchup and brown sugar. Mix well. Add some lemon juice. You can add more lemon juice at the end of your cooking. So you're adding the liquid from your cooked beets into your mix. You're putting in your diced beets, and then you add your beet leaves. Cover your pot up to your leaves with boiling water and stir. Now you're ready to drop into the hot soup your semolina balls. Add some more lemon juice from half a lemon when your pot is ready. This is so good. I changed the recipe a little bit by adding toasted pine nuts. I use ground turkey. Because I use ground turkey, I added a little bit of paprika to give it a little bit more color. Thank you for joining me.